use grouping sets. It's an extension of the group by. It provides multiple groupings in a single query, so you can do one query and say exactly which groups you want. You're going to use it instead of your roll-up and cube. You're going to use grouping sets, and you're going to define exactly what you want. In your grouping sets, you will specify a paren and a list of groups you want, and you're going to tell it which columns to do the summaries on, which we'll see in the next slide. If you want a grand total, since there's basically you want a total for everything, you have to use the keyword null in parens for that. So that's the one thing that's a little different about this that you have to know about it. And this is grouping sets. There's no group by. You're just specifying grouping sets, which is pretty cool. So when is it useful? When you don't want the whole roll-up. You don't want the whole. If you want the whole roll-up in a whole cube, use that. You got it. Especially the whole roll-up, because that looks like a report. You know, you get your data, then you get summary by this, then you get your data, summary by that, then you get your grand total on the bottom. So that's a standard report. But if you don't want that whole thing and you want to specify exactly what you want, then you use your grouping sets. So you still have a group by, but you're not grouping by your own columns, you're grouping by grouping sets, not just by a group by. So here's your group by grouping sets, and I'm going to list no payment method. So I just want the summary for each no payment method, and I just want the payment method. That's all I want here. And I'm ordering it by no and payment method. And I'll get just those rows. So you can list any things you want in here, no problem. If you want a grand total, then make sure you do comma, paren, null, close paren. That's how you get the grand total in addition. Very precise, very efficient. And this is the cleanest way to get exactly which summary data you want. Otherwise, to get all the different summary data over different dimensions, you'd have to do a lot of different group bys, store your results somewhere, and then union those results together or whatever. This is much more efficient.